In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make neon text in Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to go to your Wix editor, and from here, head over to the text that you want to make neon. In my case, I'm going to work with this piece of text right here. And by the way, it doesn't matter if it's a heading or a paragraph, the process that you need to follow is exactly the same. So once you've clicked on your text and highlighted it, either below or above it, you will see a bunch of different buttons appear. Click on Edit Text, which is the second button, and then a new window is going to appear on your right-hand side. From here, simply go down to color, which is about halfway down, and click on that. Then where it says My Colors, click on this Add button right here, and then make sure you go to the hex code section because we are going to be entering a custom hex code right here. So if you go to the website that is linked in the description below, it will take you to this page, or website rather, which is where you can copy the custom hex codes of a various different kind of like neon colors. So for example, let's say that we want this bright neon color right here. This is the hex code for it. If you go down here as well, you can see there's a bunch of different options available that you can choose from, and obviously you'll be given the hex codes for those as well. So once you have the hex code copied for the color that you want, go back to your Wix editor and simply paste it right here, and then it will appear on your Wix website. Then click on apply, and then as you can see, it will be available down here. Now if you want to make this text a little bit more glitchy in a way and a little bit more neon-y, should I say, what you can do is go to effects right here, right beneath the color section, and then head over for this bottom right option right here that says the eye. Click on that, and then this will give the text a little bit more of a glitchy kind of like look, more like fluorescent, which is basically what we're trying to achieve anyway. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make neon text in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.